Now children, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is transport. So in this chapter, we will study about different means of transport. We have land transport, water transport and air transport. So means of transport, what we call them? Lifelines of a city, and transport means by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. We travel to different places to exchange our ideas and culture with others. Similarly, goods and products of one place can be transported to other places where they are not available. So, the means of transports are necessary to move goods and people, which is called transportation. Now we have land transport. What is land transport? As you all know, early men traveled from one place to another by animals like elephant, bullocks, horses, camels. Invention of what? Wheel land lead to big change in the way in which men travel, that is man-made animal cars. These cars are still used in villages to carry loads and people. Some vehicles such as carts and tombas are pulled by animals like horses and oxen. Right? Next is with the development of technology, you know that means of transport has become faster. Trucks, buses, scooter and motorcycle, car, jeeps and railway trains are operated with fuels like petrol and diesel. Now these vehicles, they are used in towns and cities for varied reasons. Railway also play an important form of land transport. Trains run on tracks and are suitable for long distance. These goods are trains and passenger train in big cities like your Mumbai and Kolkata. There are local trains which helps in daily movement of people. In cities like Kolkata, Delhi and other, there are intercity trains, and what we call these trains? Metro trains. Water transport, it is the cheapest means of transport. In olden days, man traveled to places in simple boats. Nowadays, what we use? Fast means of water transport, right? So, people and goods can be taken from one part to another by ships, and water transport is the earliest means of transport. We have 5-star luxury for the travel also in some ships. Now air transport, which is the fastest means of transport, but it is very expensive also. You can reach any place within a few time, and aeroplanes, helicopters and jets. What are they carry? Some of the main means of air transport. It is expensive when compared with other type of transport. People travel in aeroplanes when they have to go to. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.